24 raised to the power of x equals 243 raised to the power of y, which is also equal to 72. We need to find the value of x plus 5y over x into y. Let's start by rewriting 24 raised to the power of x as 24 equals 72 raised to the power of 1 over x. Similarly, 243 raised to the power of y can be rewritten as 243 equals 72 raised to the power of 1 over y. We use these two equations later in this video. To solve, we need to find out the value of 72 raised to the power of x plus 5y over x into y. We can break this down into two parts. 72 raised to the power of x over x as I and 72 raised to the power of 5y over x as y. Now xx and yy cancel out in these two terms. We can rewrite the whole equation as 72 raised to the power of 1 over y into 72 raised to the power of 1 over x to the power of 5. Put the value of 72 raised to the power 1 over x equals 24, and 72 raised to the power 1 over x equals 243 in current equation. Now we recognize that 3 to the 5th power is 243, also 24 to the 5th power. On combining 3 times 24 to the 5th power, which is equal to 72 to the 5th power, as base are equals on left and right hand side of equation, so powers also equal. Therefore the value of x plus 5y divided by xi is 5.